Hi everyone, Richard here. Morning. I'm currently at one of the abandoned places here. I'm going to test out a speed test of the Hubsan Zino Pro and my RC car, the HBX Protector. It's a Hybrid Racing Protector. So this is the RC car, and we'll try and see. I'm not sure it's going to work out or not because I'm flying alone and driving alone. So we'll see if which one is faster. Both are supposed to be rated about 30 kilometers per hour, roughly about there. But the road is wet, so I think the RC might lose. But we'll never know. Let's have a go. If I can make it fly and race at the same time. So let's try it. So we're going to test in normal mode first, and we'll see how fast is the drone compared to the RC car. Okay, just a practice run. I will need to know how to forward this and raise my remote at the same time. Let's do the video recording then. Okay, that's the RC. Sorry, that's the drone going forward. And that's the speed. So now I need to bring it back. Seems to be drifting to one side. I need to bring it back. Bring it here. Okay, it's going to go up to a certain level to be safe. Bring it down a bit so that the camera can capture it. Okay, now let's run the RC car. Could be pretty hard because I've got to drive the remote car and the drone at the same time, and I only have one set of hands. So let's give it a try. Oops. See, the car is going forward before the drone. That's not good. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go. Oh my god! The car has gone first. That's pretty unfair. Okay, and it's gone to the drain. So I better land the drone first. And here it goes. Wow, why is it going so high? Okay, let's tilt forward, bring it down a bit. Yeah, hold it there, and let's see if we can race this again. Won't be a fair race, but at least we are trying it just for fun. Why is it coming down? Okay, ready? 1, 2, go. Ah, fail again. Fail again. I gotta bring my RC back. And here it comes. Okay, I think this could be really unfair between the RC and the drone. So here's what I can do. I'll let the drone go first and then the RC. I'm not gonna get this done, right? I need 2%. Okay, let's do this again. Doesn't work, coming back again. Okay, cross finger, now it works again. Let's go. Okay, let's go again. Hopefully this works. I think I'll give up. So, okay, there it goes. I need 2% at least, because I'm not on a flat road. And the RC seems to be faster anyway. So let's bring it down. So that's it, guys. Probably a failed project. I wanted to give you all a chance to see which is faster. But at the rate that it's going, I think the RC is faster, right? You guys can see the RC just picks up like that. Even though both are rated for above 30, I think the RC still beats the crap out of the drone. So there you have it, guys. The race between the RC HBX Protector and the Hubsan Zino Pro. So it is a failed project because you need two pilots, right? One for the driver, one's the pilot, and I can't help it. I'm trying to do this, but so you need two pilots, two persons. One is the driver, one is the pilot for the drone. So anyway, but judging by the initial test, the RC seems to get off faster because it's on the ground and it's got a lot of torque. Even though on a wet road, it seems to be going very fast, and the drone is still slower even on the sports mode. Even though it's rated for above 30 kilometers an hour, the RC is only 30 kilometers an hour, so it's still faster. So like it or not, maybe I can try this another day with 2-person. And to follow me on my next video, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks, have a nice day.